Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold is definitely still up. I have a couple different options here. Option number one is that this really is the end of a pullback, and we really are in a wave three, and it's going to go maybe up to this area here, making new all-time highs in like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. Definitely looks like that could be the most likely scenario to me, but we could also possibly be making a more complex crescent, like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 78% fib bounce, and then we either make 5 waves down like that, or we make 3 waves down like this for a WXY. So I guess you're just gonna have to kind of pick your poison on that one. I mean, the trend is definitely up, and if it does start to make an engulfing move to the downside, especially if it engulfs this candle, then I think that would prove that it really is going down for either 5 waves down or 3 waves down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was talking about in last night's video, to me it kind of looks like an crescent. It looks like an A. It looks like it could be a wave B. It looks like this could just be a wave C. So if it does, continue to respect these fib levels and make a move to the upside, something like that, I definitely would continue to look for longs. I mean, this for sure could still be a wave three on the higher time frames. If you are a short time frame trader, I would suggest continuing to look for sorts. And while you're looking for sorts and hopefully learning and earning at the same time, whether this just keeps on going down or whether it really is a wave C and it reverses at like one of these fib levels and continues the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.